Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Roblox from your Mac completely. If you've decided you no longer need the Roblox app, it's pretty easy to remove, and I'll walk you through it step by step. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. So, the easiest way to get started is by opening Finder. Just click on the Finder icon at the bottom left of your screen. Once you're in Finder, look on the left-hand side and click on Applications. This will show you a list of all your installed apps. Scroll down until you find Roblox, then click and drag it straight into the trash. Now, this deletes the main app, but it doesn't remove all the Roblox files from your system. To clean up the leftover files, go back to the top right corner of the Finder window and click on the search bar. Type in Roblox and press Enter. Then click the little plus button right below the search bar to add more search filters. Next, where it says Name, click that and change it to System Files. Then change Aren't Included to Are Included. This lets Finder show you any system-related files connected to Roblox. Depending on your setup, you might see additional folders or cached files, especially if you've used Roblox Studio or created content. Go ahead and delete all those leftover files. Once that's done, open your trash, click on Empty, and confirm. That's it. Roblox is now fully uninstalled from your Mac. Hope this video helped. If it did, give the video a thumbs up, and if you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.